you guys enjoy what I just took with my brand new action camera? Hi, I'm Young, and this is the brand new action camera, Insta360 X2. So this is the second one of the One X series that was hugely popular, especially amongst like 360-degree community. And I can tell you that this is my favorite 360-degree camera and probably my favorite action camera as well. The very first thing that I do want to tell you is how easy it is to use, especially with the display. So this is like a very sort of smallish phone size, so everything can be done with a thumb, which I think is fantastic compared to some other 360-degree camera options out there. Okay, quite close up, but inside the display I want to show you guys this display, which is amazing. It basically shows you the view that the dual 360-degree camera can see, which is pretty much everything around the camera. But you can move it around to just make sure that you get everything sort of right, the color looks right, etc. And inside the display, in the menu, you can actually change a couple of things. You can change from photo, video mode, HDR mode, hyperlapse mode, etc. A lot of different menu, and also you can check previously taken videos and photos. And the menu is so easy to use. If you display, you can actually go into different points where you want to review your video. And of course you have the manual setting, which you can actually change here by JPEG, RAW video, and also you can change the EV. I'm just gonna set everything to auto though. So because it's just so easy to use, I tell you, while I was riding bicycle, I could actually just change everything easily, because all you need is basically just the palm to hold, and you can just change everything by the thumb. I love this ease of use. And because this is 360-degree camera, you can do so much, especially with the Insta360 app, which I've been waiting for sort of Android release, and now Android app is completely released, so that's why I'm giving you guys the review a few days later. So within Insta360 app, basically you can change so many things. I'll show you here. This is very beautiful, but I'm gonna have the app here where I'll show you how easy it is to change to different effects. Here in the app, I've chosen Fly Lapse. And basically, if you've recorded 3+ minutes of video, then it automatically edits like this. And one thing that I particularly like is how easy it is to actually just go into 150-degree wide-angle mode, which then records in MP4, much easier to use. And once you download, then basically I can just use my mobile phone to just upload instantly without even editing. So that is fantastic. And that wide-angle view, I really like it. It looks like a drone following a bike. And the last thing that I really love about this camera is that it is 10-meter waterproof. So for action camera, you definitely want waterproof capability, and this one can go up to 10 meters on the water. So here I'm going to show you, this is a very, very shallow stream. However, you know, still it's water, plenty of water to just show you guys that it works. So this is waterproof test. And oh, it's really shallow So waterproof is fantastic, which means you can just film in the rain, you can film underwater up to 10 meters, and you can basically just go snorkeling with it, although right now it's a bit freezing, so I wouldn't do that. So overall, I really enjoy this camera. It is my favorite out of all the 360-degree camera out there. However, there are a couple of things that I do want you guys to note before actually making the purchase decision. First, because it records 360-degree video in 5.7K, so that is actually a large file, and quite a lot of those interesting short lab effects, they do require you to actually take at least like 2 to 3 minute footages, etc. Then that's actually quite a large file size. So even though I connect my camera to my mobile phone via Wi-Fi, I noticed that it does take a long while to actually download those long video clips. Photos, instant, but video clips, it does take some time. And for anyone, and I'm recording myself here, for anyone who is looking to actually use this as a vlogging camera, then the mic sound, because there's mic here, 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 so it's great for stereo sound. For vlogging sound, you might want an extra mic adapter, which they do have available on the Insta360 store. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me actually having fun with this new 360-degree camera. If you do want a 360-degree camera option, I highly recommend this. Although yes, you need to be a bit more diligent to actually use the app and so on to actually make that video fun. But it is that extra special effect that you can't get with any other camera, but only with 360-degree camera. And I do think Insta360, they make the best 360-degree camera with the best app. So please feel free to check out the link down below to more detail. And I haven't even shown you guys the nighttime interesting mode that this camera has, so I'll come back with this camera and some other interesting gadget reviews. So please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!